Hi friends, how are you? Today we are discussing about the definition of a surface tension and viscosity and Newton law of a viscosity and capitalized Newtonian fluid and non-Newtonian fluid. Definition of a surface tension. Surface tension is measure of elastic force in a surface of a liquid. Its also definition of a surface tension is defined as amount of energy required to stretch or increase the surface of a liquid by unit. Therefore, internal molecular force also increases, surface tension also increases. Definition of a viscosity. It is also called as a dynamic viscosity. It is defined as a resistance offered to a layer of a fluid when it moves over the another layer of a fluid is called a viscosity. Newton law of a viscosity is defined as the shear stress of a fluid is directly proportional to rate of a shear strain. The formula of a shear Newton law of viscosity is equal to tau is equal to u du by dy. U is equal to viscosity, tau is equal to shear stress, du by dy is equal to rate of a shear deformation. Definition of a capillarity. The phenomenon of a rise or fall of a liquid level in the capillary tube is called a capillarity. Capillarity is due to the cohesion and adhesion. Capillarity rise. Adhesion is greater than the cohesion. What is definition of adhesion force? The force of attraction between the molecule of unlike bodies that act as a hold together is called adhesion force. What is cohesion force? The force of attraction between the same molecule is called a cohesive force. Liquid level is equal to concave upwards. Newtonian fluid. A fluid in which shear stress is directly proportional to rate of a shear strain is called a Newtonian fluid. The formula of a tau is equal to u is equal to du by dy. Non-Newtonian fluid. A fluid in which shear stress is not directly proportional to rate of shear strain is called a non-Newtonian fluid. Formula of tau is equal to u du by dy whole to the power of n. What is difference between the ideal field and real field? Ideal field has a zero viscosity. Real field exists a viscosity. It is incompressible. It can be compressible. It is a infinite bulk model. It is a finite bulk model. It has no surface tension. Its surface tension exists. It is a imaginary and does not exist in nature. Real fluid exists in nature. What is Bingham plastic? Bingham plastic is a viscoplastic material that behaves as a rigid body at low stress but flow as a viscosity at a high stress. Tau is equal to ideal fluid plus u du by dy. Thank you.